Pag libre na yung trace mo po pa, biso propeller clear ha.
Roger.
Okay, bira headline pro ha. Libre ka dyan pag bira ng headline pro ha.
Roger sir, libre sir. Medyo maliit ng angle ko sir.
O, sige, bira lang headline, dandahan lang, alalay. Permi mo lang spring ha, para hindi yung mabante.
Bira. Sir, sir.
Okay. Abiso pag malapit na mag-case yung bulbos mo.
Roger sir, copy.
Okay.
Sir, saglit lang sir, ang rollbook.
Rollbook ka pala. Maabot dyan? May rollbook ka pala. Nalimutan.
Tali.
Lagyan nyo na ng tali. Talian nyo. Aabot lang.
Nakuha na sir, okay na.
Okay. Hard starboard please.
Hard starboard.
Sige, bira headline pro, lalay lang. Bira para.
Okay sir, picking up.
Okay.
Propellers clear.
Kaya propellers clear up. Thank you. Larga naman ta mga followers brewer. Okay, thank you. Gabi na.
2 meters sir.
Okay, 2 meters. Sige na, bila lang. Okay, 1.5. Thank you. Mga ilan na lang kulang bago mapuno yung budiga?
Marami po sir.
Marami pa?
Oo.
Pero full ballast tayo?
Oo sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
One meter.
Kaya 1 meter.
Sir.
Half meter.
cm.
Come again?
30 cm sir.
Okay, copy. Forward, let go line forward. Area todo po pro.
Let go line forward.
Abisi libre ha. Atras tayo.
Sir, headline.
Okay. Areaan mo na din yung spring mo.
Roger sir.
Okay. Di so pwede na gamit makina.
Roger sir. Pwede na sir, dantaan pa atras naman sir.
Okay, atras na tayo. Okay. Dead slow stern, please. Abiso pa 3 knots. Atras na tayo ha. Ingat kayo dyan, libre. Yan, atras na tayo mga follower and viewer. Dandahan lang tayo.
Pick up spring sir.
Angle pa yan. Okay, pick up spring. Angle lang tayo ng counting, mga 15. Dead slow stern.
Dead slow sir.
Oh.
Forward.
Ano yun po ha?
All hands on deck sir, forward.
Okay, forward. Thank you. Midship brother. Speed. 3 knots. Okay. 3.3. Okay, thank you. Stop engine. Hard port. Monitor lang sa distansya mo dyan po pa. Yung sa breakwater. Half thrust to port.
Breakwater, mga 150 meters to sir.
Okay.
Hard port now.
Okay.
3.4 sir.
3.4, thank you.
Knots sir.
3 knots astern, thank you.
120.
120, thank you.
2.8 sir.
2.8, full thrust to port.
Press the port.
Hard port na?
Hardport na sir.
Okay. Dead slow ahead, please.
Let's go ahead. So 0.
Okay. J, maraming salamat sa iyong pag-assist, J. Magandang gabi, J. Bye-bye. Okay, J, thank you very much sa pag-assist. Up thrust to port. Stop thrust. Midship rudder. Steady. Steady. Nothing to starboard. Starboard top, starboard 5. Starboard 10. Okay. Midships. Midships. Okay, thank you. Starboard 5. Okay, thank you. Midships. Thank you. Slow ahead.
Go ahead.
Up ahead, please. Full ahead. Forward and up. Secure the breathing. Forward and up. Thank you. Dismiss.
Officer, forward. Bridge up, Abim, breakwater, port side.
Okay, Abim breakwater port side. Thank you.
Secure the breathing up, thank you.
Okay, secure the breathing up. Thank you. Starboard 10. Kabisado na nila yung bangka. Kasawid talaga yung bangka. Starboard 5.
Starboard 5.
Oo. Thank you. Steady. Rang up.